Well, hi guys, it's the 17th of November 2017 and this is my project. This is my little 1981 Mazda RX7. It's in the beautiful non-factory pink colour. I bought it as a project about 18 months ago. Haven't really done anything with it as yet. It is about to be started work on. Yeah, I can't stand the colour, and hopefully it's going to be Mazda Blaze Red when it's finished. Condition wise, yeah, it's what we call ratted. It has been absolutely pulled apart, and well, it just needs a bit more than a buff and a polish, is what I can say. Yeah, it's not great. A few little bumps here and there, but nothing major. Yeah, like I said, it's going to be red. It's running stock 12A at the moment with extractors. It's took me a little bit to get going. The motor is, as you can see, the engine bay just looks like dog's breakfast. It's disgusting. Gilmer drive on it. Weber. Doesn't sound too bad, but it's just the colour. The colour's the killer. Anyway, I'll crank it up so we get it running. Weber type rumble. Obviously needs a good tune, probably a set of plugs. Hasn't run for a long time, so it's still a bit smoky. Hoping the engine's in good nick. Just got to run it for a little bit. But the process will be, I'm going to do basically as much of the work as I can, apart from the interior. The interior, get new seats for that. Get it retrimmed. I can't do that myself, but the bodywork, paint, I'm hoping to do that all myself. I'm about to start pulling it all to pieces, doing the engine bay, because that's a real mess. But I'm looking forward to it. I'm hoping my kids, Matthew, Connor and Regan, will want to help me at some stage. But we'll see what happens there. Oh, that's my RX7. 2004 model, and that's the Mazda 3. I hope they make an RX9. That'd be nice, but I don't think it's going to happen. A few bits and pieces, parts. That might come in handy, I'd say, later on in the build. Overall, not much rust in it. That'd be a good project. Cost me $3 grand, so I haven't really got a lot to lose. I'm just hoping the motor's going to be okay. The rest of the car will be fine. This is part 1 over. Part 2, hopefully not too far away. This is Wazza. Bye.